And to discuss this further, we are now being joined by Mr. Ambrish Baliga, an independent market analyst live from Mumbai. Thank you so much for joining us on World Business Watch, sir.
Thank you for having me.
Sir, now to begin with, what's your outlook for the Indian stock market for the second half of the year?
See, the markets have already discounted to a very large extent the expectation that this current government will come back and with a better majority. I mean, clearly people are talking of 400 plus seats, which will empower them to undertake major legislative changes. So I don't see any major positive surprises post-elections. But however, in case these expectations are not met, I mean, there could be a room for disappointment. So unless we really see a decent correction pre-election, I don't see a major rally post the elections as valuations are already quite stretched. I think the other factors for the rally could be good monsoons and the Q1 and Q2 earnings of the next 2 quarters. But as of now, if you look at the early indicators, they're pointing towards an above normal monsoon. But unless we see the revenue growth and stable margins driving the earnings season, it would be difficult to really support a good rally post July-August. So I don't see a repeat of what we have seen in the last 18 months. I think it would be more of a consolidation or a correction before the next major move up.
Right now, of course, sir, just for more clarity on what you've just touched on, as you know, it's an action-packed year, poll results, full budget or US presidential elections. I want to ask you, what will play a bigger role in determining the course of India's stock markets this year?
Clearly, I think the election results, I think that will have a major bearing on the markets because, especially if it doesn't meet the expectations which we just discussed. However, post that, I think the markets will look forward to the full budget. But what we have seen that unlike in the past, we have seen major policy announcements outside the budget. So the budget, just becomes an event which does not have any major bearing on the markets. I think the effect lasts just for a couple of days. Whereas if you look at the US presidential elections, clearly Trump is seen as a friend of India. So him coming back would be positive for India. So if that happens, I think the markets would react positively. But like I said, overall, I see more of a consolidation and a correction in the second half.
All right. Well, Mr. Baliga, thank you so much for joining us on World Business Watch with your insights on this.
Thank you.
For latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.